Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a very quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so this wig is courtesy of Lucyhairwig. They were kind enough to send me this wig that's actually in dusty rose gold. So I definitely want to bring this to you guys, let you guys know how I feel about it. If you guys have been keeping up with my channel, then you guys know that my birthday wig, which was a very lavender wig, and I did a giveaway. That wig is a Lucyhairwig. That wig was actually purchased by my mom for Mother's Day for myself, so I didn't have to review it. But in comparison to the wig that I have on now, I love this wig much better. So I don't know if they changed their fibers or what, but the hair is... The lavender one is soft and this one is soft as well, but this one doesn't tangle as much as the lavender one does. This one I can like run my hands through it for the most part, but even combing it, can easily get the comb through it, whereas the lavender one I feel like I had to work a little bit more. So I don't know if they decided to change the fibers of their new wigs, but if they did, kudos to you guys. So with Lucyhairwig, they are an Amazon vendor, and so I will definitely put the link down below if you guys are interested in whether it's the lavender wig or the dusty rose gold one. They have plenty other colors. Now what I will say about their wigs are it requires a little or sometimes a lot more work to customize it so that it can look a little bit more natural. Now I'm not saying that mine looks as natural as it can be, because again, I'm learning just like you guys are learning. So you guys will see that I did try to customize the little baby hairs, and my baby hairs are not wanting to lay down because it's over 100 degrees in the state of California right now. So yeah, forget an AC right now. The edges just don't want to lay down. So I tried, y'all. I tried. If it doesn't look top quality, please forgive me. It is hot. I'm just trying to get this to you guys, so hopefully you guys like it. I do like the color on my skin. Definitely love how the wig feels. The only thing that I wish is that it would come with a part so that it can make it easier for it to look natural. And I always have difficulties a little bit because my baby hairs come out so far, so I kind of have to pull the wig up a little further. But yeah, I tried, y'all. I tried. You guys let me know how you feel about it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.